Hello everyone. Today, I've got my toy washing machine, Mobile Washmatic, and I'm going to do a toy wash today. I'd choose one of these toys, like this minifigure or something in this toy washing machine. So let's get loading. By the way, I've got Peter with me. He will be watching us. This car can go in. Another car. Little minifigure from Minecraft. Little munchy monster thing. Toy car. Another toy car. Some random guy. A tiger or a bear. That can go in. I'm only filling the filling. That can go in. That can go in. I think that's a bit of a car. So, Minecraft minifigure. Batman. And I think that's enough. I'll be showing those in a different video. So, I'm not gonna add any detergent because this automatic washing powder, because I don't want them to get soapy, so that's why I'm not doing soap. So switch the power on if it decides to. Now I'm not gonna add any water in, so we'll just go for wash. I think I need to hold the door. So. They're little toys, so they can easily get lost. No. Actually, do you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put them into a surprise egg. So it's more chance for them to lose them. So open the egg, like so. Add the toys, and whatnot. I think it's not all gonna fit in here. Take those out. Put those back. Which ones shall I put in the egg? Which ones? I'll figure it out. So, which surprises shall I put in the egg? Shall I put that in? I'll probably fit 2 in, or 3. I'll add this toy car and another minifigure of Minecraft, and we'll probably fit this troll in. Troll, that can go in, and I think that's it. That's all I'm gonna wash. Since it's in a surprise egg, It doesn't matter about the detergent, because the finger will go wet. Put that in there. Add some detergent. Using automatic washing powder. There we go. Put that in. So turn the power on and fill. I'll just hold the thing. But just gotta hold the door. Just gotta hold the door. Right. Just get closer. I'll just hold the door shut. Shaking the hot point a little bit. I want it heated up to 30 degrees. It's not 30 degrees yet. Drain. Yep, it's at 30 degrees yet. Now. Now just push it in. And spin. Oop. I'm not gonna add any rinses, so switch the. Oh, actually, I might do one rinse. So, I'm only fan of rinse. There's the hot point. It's a dryer, that one. That's the drum. Oh, I didn't mean to set that going. It's a dryer, no, washing machine. There's the fenner. I fancy it. Just be careful. Oh, wait. Just need to set the washer level. The dryer level, I mean. August. Huh. Well, at least no toys are falling out, which is good. Huh. Up drain. Final spin. Take the power off. Is the laundry. And feed the toys. Oh, they're bone dry. They're bone dry. But the egg is soaking wet. Oh, it's just a little bit of water. Now, I'm not going to put them in the dryer. Sorry about that. Stopped the camera by mistake. I might make another video of the Washmatic, and probably I'll do in the 6-week holidays. I'm gonna review that, this, and many other videos like this Ferris wheel, Royal books, fans, all sorts. All that is coming on my channel soon. To make sure you stay tuned. Toy washing machine videos. And toy collection videos. I might do a review of the llama actually. I'm not quite sure yet, but I'll see about it. So again, I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you all later. Bye.